1993 Mitsubishi Mighty Max. What we got done on it for you guys. Ow. Got factory manifold there. Then he wanted 2 1/4. He's gonna do a V8 conversion on it. But for right now, it's factory. 2 1/4 into his original cap right there. Then 2 1/4 pipe into a Flow FX right there. Then then more 2 1/4 pipes. Sorry guys. Into an eBay dual tip cheap muffler. That's why he told me put the Flow FX on it to quiet it down a little bit more for him. There it is, right there. Complete system. As you guys can see, Flow FX. There'll be a link in the description for the Flow FX. And if we can find one that looks like this eBay muffler, we'll put a link for it for you guys also. And like always guys, please subscribe. And like and comment and all that good, beautiful stuff. Mitsubishi Mighty Max. You don't see many of those. And there's everything that we cut off and took off all his original stuff right there. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. There's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 95. Yeah, if he was worried that the eBay muffler would be too loud, that's why we added the Flow FX for him. And actually deepened it, gave it a really nice deep tone. Mitsubishi Mighty Max. He said he's going to do a V8 conversion on it. There's a stance on it. Got nice wheels too. And UPS shows up. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. Mitsubishi Mighty Max. And it's 5-speed.